Another method of long division is called the box method. Let's get our problem. 9, 2, 3, 1, divided by 5. So our equation, we have our dividend and divisor. We're going to draw a box here and put our number, our dividend off to the side. And our divisor here. All right, the hardest part of this math is figuring out what number actually you're going to choose to divide. I always look at the very first number here. Is 9 bigger than 5? Yes, it is. So 5 will go into 9 one time. But what we're saying is 1,000 times because 9 is in the thousands position. So if we put 1,000 above, we have part of our answer. 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. And this is the portion that we're going to subtract from our original at this moment. 1, 3 take away 0 is 3. 2, take away 0 is nothing. And 9 take away 5 is 4. Our next number has to be something that's divisible by 5. So some number divisible by 5 is going to give you close to 4,231. Again, we'll start with the first number. Will 5 go into 4? No, 4 is too small. So we're going to move over and try 5 into 42. How close can you get with your multiples to have 5 times something gives you 42? Well, it's 8. But 8 would be in the hundreds position, so we're going to need 2 more zeros to show that we are actually saying that it's 800 times 5. So 800 times 5, we're going to put our 2 zeros down for the 2 zeros in the 800, and then 8 times 5 is 40. So now we get to subtract 4,000 from our original number. It's getting smaller and smaller. At this time, the subtraction is pretty easy. Now we're going to look at how many times will 5 go into 2. Well, 2 is too small, so we're going to move over again. 23. 5 times what gets us close to 23 without going over? And you might say 4. But we're really talking 40 because 5 only goes into the 23 about 4 times. So we need a 0 here to put it in the correct place value. So it's 40. 40 times 5. Well, we're going to get rid of our 0, and then 4 times 5 is 20. So we're really going to be subtracting 200. We'll need another box. Ooh, squeezing this. Now we're into our math facts part. If we know our multiples of 5, 5 times what is close to 31 without going over it would be 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So this is what we're going to subtract from our tally. And we have 1. 1 is smaller than 5. 5 will not go into 1. So this is our remainder. Up here, we've got our parts of the answer to this equation. It's 1,846 with a remainder of 1.